Okay guys, let's talk about nature. Let's talk about nature. Look at these birds. This is naturally given. It is naturally given to them. Look at what God have given to them. Just look at. Watch this video to the end and see the wonders of nature. Watch this video to the end and see the wonders of nature. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. This is natural. Look at the way they are constructing their own infrastructures. This is engineering and it is natural. No education, no scientist, nothing, but they are engineers. Look at construction. This is construction in nature. Please watch this video. Watch this video to the end and see nature, see wonder, see nature. Look at engineering. Look at the way they are fashioning modes, creating their own infrastructures for the living, to shelter themselves. No education, nothing, and they are engineering themselves. Please watch this video to the end.